Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. Today I wanted to say a few words to remember a brave leader, Amanullah Khan. He loved Kashmir and worked very hard for its freedom. He wanted the people of Kashmir to live in peace and choose their own future. He never gave up, even when things were very difficult. We thank him for his courage and his love for his own people. Let us always remember him and hope for a free and happy Kashmir one day. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. On August 24, 1934, a child was born in the village of Astur in Gilgit-Baltistan who changed the course of history, awaked a sleeping nation, introduced it to a great ideology, and earned the honor of making a nation the most brave nation in the world that was said to be a cowardly nation. He gave Kashmiri nation an ideology and new consequences and led the nation to the right path of freedom. His childhood, boyhood, youth, and old age were a manifestation of steadfastness. His spirit was an eager for freedom. His walking, standing, sleeping, and sitting were only solely thought of freedom. This created a revolutionary thought among Kashmiri youth, and they sacrificed their life for their homeland, crossing all limits of bravery for the sake of freedom. The name of this personality is Amanullah Khan. Yes, the same Amanullah Khan, his soul yearned for freedom, no matter which country in the world he went to. He was deported from America, he was deported from Britain, and he was arrested in Belgium. And Pakistani government confiscated his passport that he is not allowed to go abroad and share this Kashmiri issue with the international community. We can say that he was a true patriot who did not spend a single moment for himself, but only thinking for Kashmiri freedom, the independence of Kashmir, and then led the idea of autonomy to every corner of state of Jammu and Kashmir. I say this with utmost sincerity and complete conviction that the dawn that awaits us will definitely dawn in Kashmir. And it will happen only when all Kashmiri work together for freedom by following the roadmap Amanullah gave us. Today, Amanullah Khan is not physically with us in the world, but his feeling, his emotion, his ideas will always guide us and in the million of hearts. The purpose of our gathering here is to pay tribute to him. At the same time, pledge that the path he has given us will be followed. Thank you.